we are at 46,000 feet above the ground right now, and just passing down through the speed of sound. And you can see below you on your map, when you want to look at it, that we're approaching the east coast of Florida, going out over the water. That's why you can, when you look out the window, all you can see is water, because we're headed out offshore. We're going to make a right 270-degree turn to line up with runway 33 at Kennedy, a 15,000-foot runway, 300 feet wide. Now at this point we are a glider. We're a 140,000-pound glider, and we're passing down through about 7.5 miles above the earth now, and our airspeed is probably about 350 miles an hour right now. We're starting our right turn over the water to take us back toward the beach and back toward the airport. And this whole turn here is designed to expend the energy we have from speed and the energy we have from our altitude, burn that off in drag so that we get down to the edge of the runway going about 200 miles an hour, and then we land. Up above, in front of you there, where the green symbology is, there's a command symbol, which is a diamond. That tells where we should be pointing in pitch and roll. And the little round symbol with the wings on it tells where we actually are pointing. So if any part of those two symbols is touching, we're doing a good job. If they're dead one within the other, we're doing a perfect job. Right now we've lost half of our altitude since we started this simulation. We're down at about 23,000 feet, or about 4.5 miles above the ground. And we're coming back over the beach now. Heading back to our right is the airport. When we get down to 14,000 feet, you'll see the airport and some clouds in the meantime. We're going to put the landing gear down later, and since you're doing the video, I'll put the gear down, which is normally done by the person in the right seat. But
I've got a free hand.
All right. See the switches by your left knee, the silver switches? All right, there's a left one and a right one.
Correct.
The right one I need you to move up when I tell you, not before. That'll be very late in the game.
Okay. This one here.
That'll put the wheels down. Yes.
It says deploy on it?
Yes, that's right. Okay, we're now down to 14,000, and in just a second you're going to see the runway up in the upper right corner of your display. See it? It's really far down, isn't it?
I see it, yeah.
Okay. So we're going to stop our turning now and head straight down to a point prior to the runway where those red and white lights are. That's called the pre-flaring point. And we're coming down right now just under 12,000 feet a minute. 200 feet per second, 190 feet per second down. And we're going forward still around 300 miles an hour. Talk a little bit less and start trying to fly a little bit better, because this is the hard part. See that river up there in front of the runway?
Yep.
When we get to the river, I'm going to tell you to put the wheels down, so you'll know when to be ready for that.
But I'm only flipping the right switch.
That's all you're doing, and you'll hear the wheels come down. It'll make a loud noise. All right, we're 3,000 feet above the ground right now, and we're going to start our flare in about 5 seconds. Here we go. We're starting our flare. Our speed will burn off a little bit, and our nose is coming up. We're looking for the runway center line. Put the wheels down now. We're at 100 feet. Touchdown. Here's our drag chute. I don't know why the sound system isn't enunciating things for us. It's the first time I've ever... Hey, that's the sound we should have heard before.
Right.
Something's a little bit wrong with the computer. I don't know why it's not rolling out straight on my side. It is on yours.